Hello friends, welcome to Hack the Hacker channel. Today we are going to see how to hack the Android mobile. In last tutorial we saw how to hack the MS Venom, how to create a payload using MS Venom tutorial, and we saw how to download and upload the files to Android mobile. Now we are going to see uh, this webcam, how to hack the webcam of Android mobile. Uh, okay, if you didn't watch this tutorial, last two tutorials, please watch the tutorials, link provided in description. Okay, now we are going to see web commands. These all are the web commands. First check what are the cams available in that mobile. Just enter webcam and list. Okay, that mobile has two cameras, one is back camera and two is front camera. Okay, if you want to access that mobile camera, just enter stream. And what camera do you want? I want use -i for index. Just enter -h. It will show the all the command it supports. D for duration in seconds, H for help, I for index, webcam to use. Okay, so here I'm going to use stream -i. I want back camera. Just enter. Okay, and this is our HTML file. Open this HTML file in Mozilla or whatever browser you have. See, now it is, my back camera is open, but user doesn't know that uh, camera is opened or not. Okay, this is our back camera. And just enter Ctrl C. Okay, and if you want to open front camera, just enter -i. Front camera index is 2, so just enter 2. Now see, you open this URL in browser and see, this is my front camera. Yeah, okay, this is my hand. Okay, if you want, just control minus. Okay, this it's showing all the token camera. Okay, and the screen will be blank, that so the user didn't know that camera is opened or not. Okay, and this for webcam, and we have another commands also, like record mic for opening record audio, and webcam chat. If we enter this command, then it will start the video chat between you and that Android mobile. And webcam snap, it will take a snapshot from the specific webcam. Okay, we will see this webcam snap. Okay, uh, now I want snap from, sorry, -i snap from back camera, so 1. Just enter. Now it will, yes, now it will created. This is the file. Open the directory. Yes, this is file. It uh, it it took snapshot and it sent to our system. Okay, this is for webcam snap. And here I took back camera, and if you want front camera, just replace with 2 and enter. Okay, this is for the camera. And record mic for record audio from that microphone for X seconds. Here we have to specify some seconds, so it will record that audio and it will send to us. Okay, we'll see example. Record mic refund H. Okay, D, let's say 10 seconds. Okay, just enter. Now it is recording 1 2 3 4. Okay, I got file in WAV format. Okay, just open that file. Yes, this is a file. See, it recorded for 10 or 5 seconds. Okay, and these all are the hack commands for the camera. Okay, camera. Yes, record mic for the recording some audio from the microphone. Webcam chart, webcam list, webcam snap, webcam stream. Okay, these all are the commands for hacking the camera at user mobile. Okay, thanks for watching. In next video we will see audio output commands. Okay, we will see a play. If you enter play, if you run play space some video or audio, that video file will be played in Android mobile. Okay, so from here only you can access that mobile. That is the beauty of this Meta Sploit Framework tool. Okay, in next video we will see screenshot, screen share and screenshot. These all commands. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment and like and subscribe our channel for support us. Thank you.